Welcome to the world of Maya inks, where creativity knows no bounds. Today, we're excited to introduce you to our latest innovation, Maya Ink's Magic Milk. Magic Milk isn't just your average crafting material. It's a revolutionary formula designed to transform your artistic visions into reality with ease. Effortlessly mix, pour, and watch as your creations come to life before your eyes. With its quick setting time of just 24 hours, you'll be able to enjoy your finished pieces in no time. From sculptures to ornaments to home decor, the possibilities are truly endless with Magic Milk. And with customizable colors and a smooth finish, your creations will stand out from the crowd. But that's not all. Magic Milk is weatherproof, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. And with its non-toxic formula, you can craft with peace of mind. Discover the magic of marble. Resin powder. Mix with water, pour, and create stunning marble-inspired masterpieces. Enjoy long-lasting results with the strength and resilience of resin. Ideal for crafting sculptures, ornaments, home decor, and more. Add pigments for unique, personalized designs. Sets in just 24 hours for fast project completion. Achieve professional quality results with ease. Weatherproof. Suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Non-toxic formula. Safe for use in home and professional settings. Simply remove from the mold after setting for hassle-free finishing. Unleash your imagination and bring your ideas to life with marble resin powder. So why wait? Join the countless artists who have already unlocked their creativity with Maya Ink's Magic Milk. Transform your ideas into reality and elevate your craft to new heights. Maya Ink's Magic Milk, where every creation is a masterpiece.